you know this monster? A bird wrote their words, can you show me something else? Can you swear to me that you'll always be this way? Show me how you feel more than ever, baby. I don't wanna be lonely no more. I don't wanna pay for this. I don't wanna know another at my door. It's just another heartache on my list. I don't wanna be angry no more. You know I do not stand for this. So when you tell me that you love me, I don't wanna be no way anymore. It's hard to leave, my voice still on the air. Open up to me, like do your best. And you say to me that it's hard to leave, you don't do to me is everything, you say anything just to get you back again. Why can't we just pay for this? I don't wanna know another at my door. It's just another heartache on my list. I don't wanna be angry no more. You know I can never stand for this. So when you tell me that you love me no more, sure, I don't wanna be lonely anymore. Magandang hapon po sa inyo lahat. Medyo sa taas, kumusta po kayo? Hello, nandito po ako to promote my newest CD, latest CD, of course under Star Records. It's called It's a Type of Eric Santos, Loving You Now. And dyan po nakapaloob yung mga magagandang awiting tulad ng I'll Never Go, I Will Never Leave You, Goodbye sa Forever, and syempre yung latest na pinopromote ko po ngayon, yung Bakit Ba Iniibig Ka? It's a duet with Miss Regine Velasquez, kaya para po sa inyo lahat yan. And now, sino ang in love dito? Diyos na ba? Sino ang in love? Ay, parang wala.